Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today I got me a brand new gimbal. This is the Moza AirCross 2. Brand new. Got it in yesterday, unboxed it, charged the battery. Haven't used it at all. So now I think we're gonna be out here doing a little filming. So we're gonna do two things. One is I want to film
me doing a little session on the curb.
this brand new scooter addict here. Yeah, we're gonna film him, and then I think there's a little show going on here today, so I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of that too. Anyway, hope you guys sit back, enjoy this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi.
Hello. Are y'all YouTubers?
No, we're just recording for fun.
I told you.
I'm sorry to disappoint y'all.
It's okay.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those shots. That is actually what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks, is going out and really using this gimbal. It actually surprised me that I actually left my Weeble S at home and primarily use this gimbal for the past couple of weeks. Usually I would switch back out to the Weeble S when I actually do like a long day of shoot. But yeah, I took this thing with me and I kept using it. It really surprised me because I really like some of these functionalities. So I want to mention a couple of things why I like this gimbal. It has pretty much all the modes that you would see on all the other gimbals, but it has a couple of extra things on top of it. So it's kind of like it has extra cup holders in cars. You know what I'm saying? So one thing is this wheel knob right here. Everyone has it on their gimbal, but the Moza AirCross 2, it actually lets you customize it to whatever you want to do. You can do the pan and tilt, tilt thing on it, so when you spin the wheel it actually goes up and down or kind of left and right. You can customize a few different things on it, so I really like it. I'm using that for my tilt right now, and I'm just playing around with that. So that's pretty unique. The other thing about this is the way you can just on the fly, you can customize, you can lock certain axis, you can lock the tilt just by pressing up on this dial pad. I really like that. And the inception mode is pretty cool. I mean, it's like all the other inception mode, except here you get to just hit a button and it does it for you. I don't have to hold down anything. So you hit a button, it starts spinning, you just make sure your moves are all there. So I really like that. The one negative thing about this gimbal is that it is big. It's much bigger than some of the other gimbals that I use, mainly because this L bracket right here, it's actually an extra thing that they've added on here, which a lot of other gimbals don't have. It does make it a lot easier to balance the gimbal, but it does add a little weight. And so I really like the L bracket though, just because this is one of the few gimbal that I felt like when I attach and detach my camera to change the batteries, that I don't have to worry too much about it being off balance. This gimbal did a really good job with keeping the balance. All the other gimbal, I have to like do minor adjustment after I put my camera back on there, mainly because they add an extra L bracket here. So I really like that. So another thing that I really like about this gimbal is that everything that you do can be customized on this gimbal. You don't have to use an app or anything like that. This the UI on this is pretty unique. It's easy to use, I would say. Good job on that, Moza. But yeah, everything else is pretty similar to the other gimbal. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked that episode. I'm going to be using this a lot more throughout Chinese New Year. Busy season is fixing to start. So if you guys want to see some more of the footage out of this, I can definitely post that and let you guys see the sample footage. But yeah, if you like this episode, please hit like, and if you don't, for some reason, hit the dislike button twice, and make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna do more gimbal reviews, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.